YouTube. I just wanted to share something with you. Welcome to my new subscribers. I hope you enjoy this and thanks for watching. So I'm just making something with my new punch, which I got this really large one. So maybe 2.5 inches. This was £5.10. I got it on special offer from eBay. There's a halfway mark and everything in there. It's a nice punch. I didn't get the plastic cover that covers this. It just came like this, well packaged. So I wanted to make something, and I've just had this idea as I was sitting down, and so I cut it. I'll use this. Sorry. And this is just printer paper. So then I'll show you what I did, because I'm making angel wings. This is what I'm calling this. I just roughly drew an angel. So I don't know which way you are. So she's happy she's gonna receive her wings. So just punch that out from printer paper. You can cut this down, but I want the dimension, you know, this. There's the other one. So you have to cut it twice. Or if you don't have a punch like this, you can go around in a circle shape and then cut the crinkles out with your fine detail scissors, you know, the scalloped edges, or you could have pointed or something. So, and then you can decide after you cut your fairy out how you want the wings to be placed. So she's just very amateur because I wanted to show you, so I just did her very amateurish. Now she doesn't. She looks like a bee. Okay, she could even be a bee. So you have to decide if you want your wings to be this way, up, not this way, or like this. Aha, this is better. I can see it straight away now. Okay, so this way. It's about these angle line things. There you go, see? Then you just stick her down with dry glue. The thing is, I haven't decided where I'm going to stick her, so I'm not going to stick her on my black cardstock, but I just wanted to share the idea with you. I haven't made a video for a bit, and you know, and because I picked up the new tool and I really wanted to share something with you like that. See there, perfect, absolutely. Okay, so there, you can notice how one is slightly different. Okay, I'm going to have to overlap it, so take this off, overlap it slightly. See, that V shape there. Then stick this down on top once you've worked out how you want that. There, perfect. Now let's see, turn it around. So, oh no, there. So that's why she's smiling. She's happy she's finally got her angel wings. Okay, so that's my design and idea. And then I was going to make something. But, so I cut these out from card. And then one black card. Right, this is just packaging from something. And we have to stick them down with glue. And then over here, because I like the holographic, over here you can find a sticker to put there, or something that you've already made. Like I've got loads of things on my desk that I've already made. and I can use them and add them to my project here. See, I love fairies and fairy houses and fairy windows and fairy doors. I love anything like that. Whimsical. Oh, sorry, you can't even see. Sorry about that. There you go. And then I can have a fairy just here somewhere. And maybe even her. I don't know. Let's see. So I have to keep moving my tripod and camera, so that's why I never know where you are. So here you go. So pretend that goes on there. And put this on. But you have to cover the wording because you don't want to see that cosmetics bag out. See what I mean? You can't really see this. I'm going to do the black one. So then you can. So I haven't put it together, as you can see. I have to line up the scallops. Match them up with each other. You can add glitter and stuff after you've decorated it. There you go. You can bring the wings out a tiny bit more. There. Just keep shaping and positioning until you've got what you like. And then you can stick it down. And then cover it with glue and holographic glitter. Okay, that's just my idea. See how they come up? That's what I like, the 3D dimension thing. Okay, if I put it there you can see more. So you can use different types of glues and tapes to stick that down. Yeah, so invest in something, check eBay and make something nice yourself, and then share it with us please so we can learn from you. Okay, see, just printer paper. Okay, see you, take care, bye, thanks for watching. And look, just printer paper and a pen and you can make something nice yourself. Okay, see you. Oh, and Pritt Stick, dry glue. Okay, see you, take care, bye.